While immigrating to Canada permanently is a dream come true for many people, thousands of Canadian permanent residents have continued to voluntarily renounce their Canadian permanent residency status. There are many reasons for this sudden renunciation of status, each reason peculiar to each individual. You may have retired and desire to have your latter days spent in your home country, or you may have gotten employment in a new country, or you may simply be fed up with the Canadian weather and have become very homesick. Well, if you still wish to give up your residency status, the process can be very easy and straightforward. However, there is the possibility that the processing time can be long, especially if certain requirements are not met. With the reasons already mentioned above inclusive, these are the likely reasons why you or any other person may want to renounce Canadian permanent residency status. Your aim is only to visit Canada. You don't wish to live in Canada permanently. You want to apply for electronic travel authorization (ETA). You want to apply for a temporary resident visa. You wish to become a citizen of another country and you're required to renounce your Canadian residency status. You want to take up a position with a foreign government. If you have thought it over and have decided to apply to voluntarily renounce your Canadian permanent residency status, you will have to review the eligibility requirements to know if you qualify. To be eligible to apply to renounce or cancel your Canadian permanent residency status, you must meet the following requirements. Be a permanent resident of Canada. Be a citizen or a permanent resident of another country. Be at least 18 years or older. If you are under 18 years, you will be represented by a legal guardian. Have valid legal permanent resident status or citizenship in another country. Individuals who wish to renounce their residency but are below the age of 18 will either be represented by a legal guardian or the guardian will give written consent to the renouncing of permanent residency status. Below are the ways to begin the application process. Step 1. Providing all required documents. If you have met all eligibility requirements, you can start the application process right away. The CIC website has provided a document checklist to guide you on all the documents that are required of you. If any of the documents are missing, or the print is not clear, your application may not be processed. Aside from the general documents expected from all applicants, there are some special cases that will require you to submit some other specific documents. Step 2. Filling out the application. With all necessary documents provided, the next step is to fill the application form. After you have filled all forms, please make at least one photocopy which you can keep for your personal referencing purpose. After filling the form, don't forget to sign it. If you are below the age of 18, your parents or guardians are required to sign the document. There are a few mistakes and oversights that can prolong your application process, or even result in you spending more money, so ensure you fill the form correctly. Step 3. Pay the required fees. Applying to renounce your permanent residency status is free in Canada. But if you are also applying for any other document such as a TRV, temporary resident visa, or an ETA, electronic travel authorization, alongside the application, you will pay the fees required to process those documents. Step 4. Submit your application. If you need more information, then head on to www.workstudyvisa.com. You will also find a link to the FOO resource attached to the description. Thanks for watching. Ensure you subscribe for more updates.